this video you will see how to easily create straight shapes in Procreate. Let's start with line. So what you need to do is draw a line and keep holding your stylus on screen once you have drawn it. Then you can tap on Edit Shape to make adjustments. Or tap on Arc to transform this line into editable arc. Next, circle. Idea here is the same. Draw the shape and keep holding your input device on screen. This will make it automatically straight. With ellipse selected, you can edit shape with these 4 handles. Or tap on circle to have perfect round circle. Then rectangle. Again, draw shape, keep holding and adjust it if needed. Quadrilateral means shape with 4 sides and 4 corners. Rectangle will make the shape into rectangle. Square will make it into square, so all sides will be the same length. Polyline will allow you to edit it as open shape with starting and end points of the line. Lastly, triangle. Draw it, adjust it and tap on Edit Shape. Triangle will make it into triangle shape. Quadrilateral will allow you to transform this shape into 4-sided shape. And polyline will give you open shape, or line in other words. Hey, hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!